guys, this is a part 2. Okay, this is open the door. Oh, so cute. Okay, suot na natin sa kanya ang hair. Mabilis kasi yung oras, guys. Comment nyo po kung pangit o maganda. Okay lang kung pangit po. Minamalat po kasi ako. Okay lang kahit pangit. Comment po kayo maganda po o pangit. Okay, let's open the pants or shoes and shirt. This one. Shoes and shirt. Wow, oh, she's flying. Oh no, she's flying in the wall. Comment for part 3.